Hey everybody, I have the hiccups, and it is, what are we gonna call this? Little Miss Princess Monday or something, I don't know. Princess Hiccups. Now, gonna do this weekly on Mondays. Do result. Wearing jeans. Yep. Think. Okay. What about Little Miss Princess Hiccup Mondays? Little Big Mondays. Miss Hiccup Mondays. Yeah, Miss Hiccup Mondays. Ooh. Miss Hiccup Mondays. Wait, no. Little Hiccup Mondays. Princess Hiccup Mondays. Yeah, and there's people there. Well, the Minecraft videos, they're gonna be coming up. If you guys know how to, make them, tell me, please. Because I'm getting desperate. Hiccup. My hiccups are very weird. I'll warn you, okay? Very weird and big. I get hiccups when I have a growing spurt, so that must be on $6. Oh my god. Okay, that's really all. If you have any tip, if you know how to videotape playing on the computer, please tell me. Okay. Sorry if my words are a little pausy, it's because of the hiccups. And